mTOR is a very popular term in the anti-aging media currently. So let's have a look at what it is, what it offers, and what the trade-offs are because, well, it is always wise to have all the data. The mechanistic target of rapamycin, previously referred to as the mammalian target of rapamycin, is a kinase that in humans is encoded by the mTOR gene. A kinase is an enzyme that acts as a catalyst to speed up reactions with regard to phosphates and ATP specifically in this case, which as we've already discussed is our energy source for all our cells. It was first discovered in 1994, and since it has been found in every organism that anyone has ever looked in, this means it's probably a very old system. Our body is a complex array of proteins that regulate growth and metabolism, and just like sirtuins, mTOR can signal cells, notably when in stress, to hunker down and improve survival by boosting activities such as DNA repair, reducing inflammation caused by senescent cells, and by the digesting of old proteins. When times are good and amino acids abound, it is a master driver of cell growth and it dictates how much protein is created. And when it is inhibited, it makes cells divide less and reuse old cellular components in order to maintain energy and extend survival. In the evolutionary field of things, mTOR is what kept our ancestors alive when they failed to find any food. The mTOR pathway is a central regulator of mammalian metabolism and physiology, with important roles in the function of tissues including liver, muscle, white and brown adipose tissue, and the brain. And it is found to be dysregulated in areas of human diseases such as diabetes, obesity, depression, and certain cancers. mTOR positively regulates cell growth and proliferation by promoting many anabolic processes including biosynthesis of proteins, lipids and organelles, and by limiting catabolic processes such as autophagy. Think of high mTOR activity being an analogue of the phrase live fast, die young, because too much activity is good for growth but bad for lifespan. However, too little mTOR activity is also not beneficial. It can disrupt healing and insulin sensitivity and can even cause cataracts in mouse models. mTOR is stimulated by insulin, growth factors, blood factors, phosphatidic acids and oxidative processes, with it being inhibited in low energy cellular states. Indeed, with skeletal muscle, the way resistance exercise causes an increase in muscle size and strength is via mTOR activation. In short, mTOR activity increases after feeding and reduces during fasting. There are obviously mTOR inhibitors available. Rapamycin is the main mTOR inhibitor, but deferolimus, everolimus and temsimolimus are some newly developed rapamycin analogues. You can probably see the links with the limus suffix. So, without wishing to sound like a broken record, this is just another string to the complex network of interlinked systems we call the human body and metabolism. Together, AMPK and mTOR occupy their own little balancing act, even without the influence of everything else we know that forms part of the equation. And if you like that, why not subscribe to help show your support and then check out this video next. And if you've already seen that one, have a look at this one instead. Thank you for dropping by.